Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the finest selections in bathroom hardware, the Delta 759460CZ Trinsic Towel Ring in Champagne Bronze. This elegant accessory combines both style and functionality, making it a standout choice for any modern bathroom. Let's begin with what sets the Delta 759460CZ apart. Crafted from durable zinc and featuring a brushed gold finish, this towel ring not only exudes sophistication but also promises long-lasting performance. Its dimensions 6.4 inches in length, 1.3 inches in width, and 5.68 inches in height make it ideal for various towel sizes, offering both convenience and elegance. The Trinsic towel ring boasts a sleek, round shape that complements contemporary bathroom aesthetics. Its champagne bronze finish adds warmth and charm to any space, ensuring it stands out as a focal point in your bathroom decor. Built to endure daily use, this towel ring is resistant to corrosion, tarnish, and discoloration, thanks to its robust zinc construction and high-quality finish. Designed for easy wall mount installation, the package includes all necessary hardware and straightforward instructions, making setup a breeze for any DIY enthusiast. Whether you're upgrading an existing bathroom or outfitting a new space, the Delta 759460CZ offers both style and practicality. Its open ring design allows for quick and effortless towel hanging, perfect for daily use in bathrooms of any size. In conclusion, if you're looking to enhance your bathroom with a touch of elegance and functionality, the Delta 759460CZ Trinsic Towel Ring in Champagne Bronze is an excellent choice. Its durable construction, stylish design, and ease of installation make it a standout among its peers in the market. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful product critiques here on Product Critique. See you next time.